Welcome! Today, we're diving into Pinterest to ensure you're not missing out on any messages or connection opportunities. This tutorial will guide you through the updated steps on how to allow message requests from everyone on Pinterest. So let's get started. First, open your Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for the saved icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap it. This will take you to your saved boards and pins. Next, find and click on your profile icon. It's usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, look for the settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear icon or 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap on it to open your settings menu. Scroll down until you see Social Permissions, and tap it. In the Social Permissions, find Message Settings and tap on it. This section controls who can send you messages and requests on Pinterest. Here, you'll see different options for who can send you message requests. To ensure you receive messages from everyone, select Everyone Else, then tap on Requests. This setting allows anyone on Pinterest to send you a message request, opening you up to new connections and collaborations. Enabling message requests from everyone can significantly enhance your Pinterest experience. It allows you to connect with more pinners, collaborate on projects, and discover new ideas. Whether you're a creator, a business, or just someone who loves Pinterest, staying connected is key. By following these steps, you're now set up to receive message requests from everyone on Pinterest. This ensures you won't miss out on potential collaborations, valuable insights, or exciting opportunities within the Pinterest community. Remember to keep your Pinterest app updated to the latest version to ensure all features are working correctly. App updates often include improvements and fixes that can enhance your overall experience. If you encounter any issues, check the Pinterest Help Center for assistance or consult online forums for community support. That's it for today's tutorial. By opening up your message requests, you're making the most of what Pinterest has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!